Yeah, and so we are heading back after an incredible hike out here in Stellenbosch. Um, the scenery is just out of this world. The mountains, in particular, are just special. The sun is out now. It's a lot warmer than it was um, when we started the hike in the morning. Of course, we're in the middle of winter. Absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of mountain bike trails here. So the mountain bikers, yeah, they just get to enjoy themselves. It's a special place. We didn't quite get to do the trail we would have liked to do because it's closed for some reason. It was actually closed yesterday, the 12th of June, 2026, and it will be open tomorrow. And we just happened to come here on a day when the trail is closed. That would have led um, to a waterfall, but we've enjoyed it nonetheless. Thanks for watching. I need to catch up with the rest of the group now. God bless.